Hey guys, this is Ryan from iSolutions. Today I'm going to be going over our self-service customer portal built specifically for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. So let's go ahead and hop over to the portal page. So a couple things I want to point out right off the bat. The portal link you guys can embed on your website, add to customer statements, and also it will be white labeled with your own brand and theme. So let's go ahead and log in the portal. And one thing that I want to point out right off the bat, our app is built, actually our portal is built using OAuth connection to BC and APIs. So the advantage of that is that there's no data sync. So for instance, if I clicked on open invoices and I were to go into BC and I were to pay one of these invoices with a cash or check or anything other than card or ACH, that invoice would be dropped off the portal immediately when I were to refresh the link up here at the top. So a couple things with open invoices. Your customer will have the ability to see their credit memos up at the top. If they hit the hyperlink, it'll allow them to render the PDF. And kind of the same thing with the invoices down here. So if, for example, if you were to modify the invoice template inside of BC and you were to run it here, they're going to be identical. So the advantage is you don't have to modify a second template with our solution. So next, the customer can identify the invoices that they want to pay. There is an option where they can you can enable partial payments, and once they've identified those, they would go ahead and hit Pay Selected Items, and then at this time they would have the option to pay by credit card or ACH. The next feature we have on here is the ability for the customer to see open orders. And same concept, they can go ahead and download the order PDFs, and they can make payment on those orders as well. And same thing for quotes. Most of our customers are in manufacturing and distribution, and on this latest build we added a feature where your customer can come in and see shipments, and also they will be able to track the shipments within the software as well. Next, we'll see invoice history, and this is pretty straightforward. They can search by date, document number, or if they don't know any of that, they can simply just hit the search button, and then it'll call up the BC API, and it'll return all the historical ledger items against the customer record. Same thing, if they were to hit the link, it will render the PDF down in the left corner, and then if they hit amounts paid, it will actually show them what documents were used to apply to the invoice. So in this example, it's a one-to-one relationship. But in theory, if you had more than one document, you'd see all those additional documents down here in the grid. And then the last thing with the self-service portal is where the customer can update their payment methods on file. So if they want to remove one, they would simply hit the trash can button, recycling bin button right there. And then if they wanted to add additional payment methods to keep on file, they would do that right here. So just to recap, our portal is built specifically for Business Central, using APIs, OAuth, and as a real-time connection. If you guys have any questions, feel free to click on the link below and just reach out. Thank you.